Our project is looking at different black bean varieties to hopefully identify a variety that can grow well under the kind of harsh environmental conditions of Haiti. We have 3 varieties that are adapted to the Caribbean and offer some disease resistance, and we have 3 varieties that are very high yielding. So we're hoping out of that combination of black bean varieties, we can identify something that grows better that we can then provide to farmers to be able to grow and provide a stable food source for them.
On average, crop yields are 50% or less of the comparable regions of the Caribbean and Central America. And so there are a lot of challenges in terms of genetics and agronomic techniques and possibly inputs such as fertilizer and or compost that are needed to bring this together. So the overall goal is of course, increasing food production and food security.
The root cause of all of it is just the fact that there isn't enough livelihood in these plateau areas on these small farms to keep young people here. So part of the goal of this is to see if we can intervene in the existing cropping system with some new technology, and we're looking at conservation agriculture as one of those technologies.
What we'll do is make a rectangle for the area we'll need,
Okay.
and then they will, when they prepare it, they will prepare it the long way, so it'll be a rectangle. They will basically start at the edge of ours or outside the edge of ours.
And the other piece of this is that black beans are a real important part of their diet here. And black beans are normally planted in September and are harvested, and in fact we saw them being shelled this morning. But if we could get them to grow some black beans early in the system, it would give them some high protein food for themselves early, and also would give them a product to sell to buy better seed for the maize crops that follow.
Beans? This can be used for the beans.
I remember 2 years ago when the team of Viginatech came to Haiti. They decided to have an agriculture conservation project, and they contacted me, and I think it was a wonderful idea. That's why we are preparing to have what we call the relance of agriculture in Haiti.
I feel good being here to help. I was given this opportunity somewhat at the last minute to come down and participate in this research project. And it's been a bit overwhelming of an experience, but I feel really good to be able to try to offer some help where help is really needed.